Today in front of me I have the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt, and in this video I'll show how you can share the camera access in this security camera. So to start, you will need to launch the EUFY security app, then open your camera settings. Here go into share device, invite, then decide which permission the invitee is going to be granted with, admin or guest. Let's go with admin. Then select what camera you would like to share the access of. I have only one camera to choose from anyway, so well. Now input the email address of the person you would like to share it with. Note that this person has to have their EUFY security account registered under this email address. So let me enter mine real quick. Once you have entered the email address, hit the send button, confirm. And now the person is going to accept or receive an invitation and accept it, and then it will then this person, your counterpart, will get the whatever access you've granted it with, either guest access or admin access. Let me show you how the invitation looks like real quick. So Gmail, switch account, here it is. That's how the invitation is going to look like. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.